For this video, we're going to remove all of the dash trim pieces. We're going to start on the driver's side. Use a trim removal tool and pry out the end piece of the dash. You will need to work it out from the trim around the door jamb once it is free. It is just held in with plastic clips. Use care. Both end dash pieces are removed in the same manner. Use a trim removal tool to pry out the trim piece around the light and ignition switch. There are 2 tabs in the back indicated by green arrows holding it in place. Squeeze in on the tab on the electrical connection for the sensor and separate them, red arrow. Moving on to the steering column, you do not need to remove the steering wheel for this project. We did it for photographic purposes only. Turn the wheel until you have access to the indentation in the steering column trim, red arrow, 1 on each side. Use a small flathead screwdriver and push in and release the clips on the upper and lower trim pieces, red arrows. Separate the electrical connections under the trim piece for the microphones, red arrow. The connections will come out from the cover to help with separation. Unclip the leather trim piece from the plastic piece, red arrow. The instrument cluster surround is held in place from behind with 4 plastic clips, blue arrows. Pull it forward and remove it. If you are removing the lower driver's side trim piece, you will need to remove the instrument cluster to access the T20 torque screw indicated by the blue arrow. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task if needed. Use a T20 torque and remove the 2 screws on the front of the lower trim piece, red arrows. If you have a manual adjust on the column, remove the 3 T20 torque screws holding the handle and trim piece in place, red arrows. If you have an electronic adjustment, you will need to use a trim removal tool and pry out the assembly and separate the wiring. You can now lower and remove the piece. Use your trim removal tool and pry out the trim piece to the right of the steering column. This is the same procedure for the trim piece on the passenger side under the vent. Using a T20 torque, remove the screw on the inside of the lower driver's side trim panel by the end, red arrow. Remove the single T20 torque screw on the brace piece inside of the cluster housing indicated by the red arrow. There are 2 E8 fasteners on each corner of the lower trim panels in the footwell area indicated by red arrows. One is up by the light by the accelerator, red arrow, and the other is by the fuse panel. Remove these. Here is how to remove the center console trim piece, red arrow. Use a trim removal tool and starting by the switch end, gently pry the panel away from the console. It is just held in with a series of clips, red arrows, more clips than are illustrated. Slide the trim piece towards the rear and remove it. You can now pull the lower driver's side trim piece back towards you and then lower it. Installation of all trim pieces is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.